Hello and welcome to Technical Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the team at DocuSketch. This week's tip is around what behaviors or habits help build a strong reputation for estimators.
This is a great industry. I'm kind of ended up in it quickly at age 17, not knowing what I walked into. For anybody who's now planning to spend and time in this industry, make a career of it, your reputation, it's a very big industry, but it's a very small industry at the same time too. So, um, I I'm coming at it from the estimator perspective, but those interactions that you have in exact analysis and resolving claims, you will become known for them. Fun little aside is Nelson Higgins works for DocuSketch, and we knew each other as the other side of that exact analysis argument, I'll even call it. But great respect for each other. And in the long run, we're working for the same company. And Nelson was introduced me to into the DocuSketch environment too. So it's funny how reputation can be so important. So the people that you're talking to today and going back and forth, your careers are probably going to evolve over time. And, you might find yourself at a higher seat at the table or however you want to look at it. And your reputation goes everywhere with you. So those little interactions that we had, picking up the phone and resolving it, maybe Nelson yelling at me from time to time, still all handled reasonably, and we get along great and all that fun stuff. Like that's just one, but it's funny how many people show up at a conference and how many people you really have met over the years, or you'll see a name tag and you're like, oh, I remember you. We basically just went back and forth in exact analysis all the time, but here you are. Cool. What do you do now? Like it's yeah, big little industry. So reputation stays with you for sure.